Today I will show our website named Pantry Chef. Here is the front page of our website, and here is the login option where I have logged in already, and it's the search bar. Here we will search some ingredients like rice, chicken. Here is the camera option from where we can browse any photos of our device from our device, and here is the voice recording option also. Our website is generating recipes. Here is a Indian recipe and also a Western recipe. Um, the Indian recipe will take 30-minute time and the Western recipe will take 40-minute time. Here also the mentioned ingredients, and here is the method. We can copy and share the recipe, and we also can find how much kilocalorie we can gain from the recipe. Here is the recent history option, and it's the help center from where we can find our previous activities. It's the theme. Here is light mode and dark mode. I prefer light mode, so I have already chosen light mode. It's a feedback option. We can give feedback to our website. There's a shape row option which is not working now. And okay, it's the help center option from where it's user guide. Okay, uh, it's support chat. From here we can chat with our website. It's the type section. Okay, it's privacy and safety option, and it's the FAQ section. From our website we can get more than one recipes, and it's a very user friendly website. Thank you so much.